Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, and the Kyosho Christen Eagle II. Well, getting ready for the maiden flight. The sun has set. It's almost 9 p.m., but the wind has died down. There is still a slight breeze, but hopefully I can get a successful maiden flight. And I actually brought two batteries for this. I got the battery it came with, which is a 70 milliamp 1S. Got a car coming. Get out away from the road. And the 150 from Spectrum. This is the ready to fly radio. It's a bit weird as the throttle sits in the center. So I have to, and it's spring loaded. I have to keep it pushed up to half throttle. But let me get a battery in this while there's still light. And hopefully we'll do some flying. Okay, and the little wind I have is coming from my left. Ooh. Well, it's flying. Stay away from the light poles. Woo. Motor's cutting off. No, not in that field. Oh god. Yeah, I'm gonna have to walk the walk to that sunflower field. And it's getting dark, but hopefully I'll be able to find it quick. Okay, there it is. I blipped the throttle a couple of times. I was able to hear it. Oh, that really helped. Okay, it's in one piece. Oh, should I try the other battery? The wind seems to have calmed down. I don't know. Let me get back to the car and see. Okay, so the stock battery still shows 4 volts, but I'm gonna give it a shot with this Spectrum one, 150. It's not much larger, but it is noticeably heavier. So hopefully it does a bit better before I lose all sunlight. Hopefully this time it doesn't crash into a field, because light is really fading away. So let's see how it goes this time. Okay, let's see if that nose weight helps. The wind hasn't died down, but ooh. Okay, we got something. Still wants to climb. Oh, come back. Woo! It's looping almost on its own. Yeah, it might just be too windy for it. Although there's barely any wind. But I'm gonna probably have to wait for a completely still moment. Probably early morning. Usually it's pretty calm this time in the evening, but not today. But I've had this for a couple of weeks and I have not had any time at all to fly, so I was waiting for the opportunity. Oh well, we'll try again next time. See how it does in calm conditions. It is a beautiful looking biplane. Colors go well with that sunset. So yeah, better conditions might mean better flight performance. They did warn me it's an indoor plane. I think might need to adjust that elevator a bit because it does want to climb. Other than that, yeah, if this doesn't prove to be enough, maybe I'll try upgrading to a brushless system. Who knows? maybe ailerons. Ailerons would be awesome on this, although it does have a decent amount of dihedral. If you haven't watched it already, I did the unboxing video where I show more details about this. If you have any ideas, thoughts, questions, let me know in the comments. Don't forget, like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps me out and shows me I'm not doing these videos for nothing. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye!